Good morning, students. So the chapter name is oscillations. So today discuss about the force law. Okay, force law for SHM simple harmonic motion. So what is meaning of the force law? Here let us take one particle. This is a particle mass m. So at initially it is a mean position. The particle at the mean position. Okay, the particle at mean position. Suppose the particle is moving in SHM simple harmonic motion. So it is to and fro motion. Okay, so one is right side, another is left side. So when the particle is moving in the positive extreme position, so when one force is acting towards the always displacement. When the particles is moving positive extreme position, what happen? Their force is acting on a particle which is always bring the original position. Always the force is acting bring the original position. So that is, it is the mean position. This force is called restoring force. What is the force? This force is called restoring force. So here, what is the restoring force? Always the restoring force F is proportional to a displacement. Here I am taking the displacement y displacement, or F is equal to x displacement. So that is, the F is equal to minus k into y. F is equal to minus k into y. So where k is equal to, the minus is indicated opposite direction towards the mean position. That is, the force and displacement always is a directly proportional and opposite to each other. So where k is equal to force constant. Okay, where k is equal to force constant. K is equal to force constant. But we can apply the Newton's second law. Okay, but we can apply the Newton's second law. So according to Newton's second law, so what is the F is equal to ma. So here, so this is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, so ma is equal to, here ky, I am taking the only magnitude. So if we know that a is equal to omega square y, acceleration. So that is m omega square y is equal to ky. So y cancel, m omega square is equal to k. So what is the omega square value? Where omega square is equal to k by m, and omega is equal to under root of k by m. So this is the angular frequency. Omega is equal to angular frequency of a particle with respect to force constant k and m. So here, what is the time period of, so the particle is moving in the SHM with respect to restoring forces. Omega is equal to 2 pi by t. We know that very well. So substitute in this equation, there 2 pi by t is equal to root k by m. Root k by m. What is the t? T is equal to, here t is going to here, this is complete is going to here, 2 pi under root of m by k. So this is the time period of a particle with respect to force constant k, force constant. So what is the force law is explained here. The particles is moving in a SHM. So when their capital F force is acting on a particle, their particle leave the mean position. So therefore the restoring force is acting inside of the particle. This restoring force always make towards the mean position. Okay, bring back to the particles to the mean position. This is called restoring force. Always restoring force, F is proportional to y, F is equal to minus ky. So this is the omega is equal to angular frequency. Next, what is the kinetic energy of the simple harmonic oscillator? Here, consider one particle mass m. This is a particle mass m executing simple harmonic motion along a straight line. Executing simple harmonic motion along a straight line with amplitude. This is a plus a and this is a minus a. So this is a particle. The particle is moving to and fro motion. And the particle is moving to and fro motion about a mean position, about a mean position. So what is the amplitude where amplitude A is equal to? Where amplitude A is equal. Here, what is our concept? So what is the kinetic energy of these particles? What is the, so in this one, what is the kinetic energy that particle is oscillating? What is the kinetic energy? Let us take for example simple harmonic motion. So this is a particle at the mean position. So this particle is oscillating like this. So what is the kinetic energy of this particle in the different position? So here, so what is the equation, general formula of the kinetic energy? Their kinetic energy formula, we know that very well. Their kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 mv square, general formula. So but what is the velocity in this simple harmonic motion? Their velocity v is equal to, we know that, omega under root of a square minus y square. Velocity, we know that very well. So substitute in this equation, therefore their kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 m omega under root of a square minus y square whole square. So therefore in this one, 1 by 2 m omega into square omega square and a square minus y square. So this is the kinetic energy of a particle. Kinetic energy, what is the formula of the kinetic energy of the particle in a simple harmonic motion? So 1 by 2 m omega a square minus y square. Here I am taking the two cases. Okay, the first case at mean position, at mean position. So at the mean position, so here what is the displacement at the mean position? Y is equal to 0. So this is a particle m. Okay, so this is the extreme position, this is the extreme position, and this is also one extreme position. Okay, so this is a positive extreme position, this is a negative extreme position. So what is the kinetic energy at the mean position? This is my question. So at this one, what is the displacement? Y is equal to 0. So therefore we know that very well, kinetic energy m omega square a square minus y square. So substitute in this one, their kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 m omega square a square. That is at the mean position, their kinetic energy is equal to maximum. Kinetic energy is maximum at the mean position. What is the kinetic energy formula? 1 by 2 m omega square a square. And another one, k is equal to m omega square. K is equal to omega square here in the previous equation. What is the omega square? Omega square is equal to k by m. So k is equal to m omega square. I am taking this relation. So that is substitute in this equation. Their kinetic energy maximum is equal to 1 by 2 k a square also. Their kinetic energy in terms of the force constant. In the second condition, so what is the kinetic energy at the extreme position? What is the kinetic energy of the extreme position? So this is a mean position. Here this is a particle is a maximum displacement to a. This is the extreme position. So y is equal to a in this one. So what is the kinetic energy formula? 1 by 2 m omega square a square minus y square. Y square means a square. A square minus a square. Their kinetic energy is equal to 0. The extreme position, what is the kinetic energy of the particle? Their kinetic energy particle is equal to 0. So therefore here I am taking the simple pendulum example, simple pendulum. Okay, so this is a mean position, we know that very well, mean position. Okay, so in the mean position, so this is the extreme position. Okay, so where the mean position, their kinetic energy is equal to maximum. At the extreme position, what is the kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is equal to minimum, that is 0. So therefore when the kinetic energy goes to up, is a decreases. Okay, where the particle is moving mean position to extreme position, their kinetic energy will be decreases. I am taking the graph. I am taking the one graph. Here I am taking, so kinetic energy displacement to graph. Okay, kinetic energy and y means displacement. Okay, displacement, I am taking the graph. So in the axis I am taking the y, and here this is the taking of the kinetic energy in the y axis. Okay, this is a displacement in the x-axis, in the displacement, in the y-axis kinetic energy. So here at, so this is the y is equal to plus a positive extreme position, this is y is equal to minus a. So here at the mean position, okay, at the mean position, so what is the kinetic energy? The kinetic energy is maximum. At the extreme position, kinetic energy is 0, like this graph. So at the extreme position, this is the extreme position, their kinetic energy is equal to minimum 0. At this extreme position, kinetic energy is 0, but at this position, their kinetic energy is equal to maximum. This is a graph about of a kinetic energy and displacement. Kinetic energy and displacement. So this is a y is equal to 0. Another equation of the kinetic energy, so the kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 mv square. Okay, mv square. So I am taking the displacement equation, y is equal to a sine omega t. Okay, so y is equal to a sine omega t. This is the displacement equation. So velocity is equal to dy by dt. We know that very well after taking the differentiation, the a omega cos omega t. This is a velocity. So we know that their kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 m into v square a omega cos omega t whole square. So therefore 1 by 2 m a square omega square cos square omega t. This is also another kinetic energy equation. This is also one of the kinetic energy equation. So in the kinetic energy equation, in terms of a simple harmonic displacement, their kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 m a square omega square cos square omega t. Next, what is the potential energy of a simple harmonic oscillator? Here this is a particle mass m. Okay, we know that very well. This particle is executing simple harmonic motion with amplitudes a. With amplitudes a, this is a positive a, this is a negative a, where a is equal to amplitudes. The particle mass m, their particle is moving like this, the simple harmonic motion with amplitude a. So where displacement increases, okay, displacement increases, what is the restoring force? Restoring force also increases. The displacement increases, always the restoring force is F is acting towards the mean position. The displacement of the particle executing simple harmonic motion is increases, automatically their restoring force also increases. So what is the restoring force direction? Always the restoring force direction towards the mean position. So therefore when some work is done, okay, so here the work is done is producing displacement against to restoring force, here work is done, where their work is done, their object is moving to displacement positive extreme position opposite to restoring forces. We know that restoring forces, what is the equation of the restoring forces? F is equal to ma. Okay, so minus m omega square y, or F is equal to minus k into y. So this is a restoring force, F is equal to ma. Okay, or F is equal to minus ky, the restoring force in a simple harmonic motion. So this restoring force is a form of a work done. So I am taking the work done here, their work done when the particle undergoing displacement to dy. Here what is the displacement? There particle very small displacement to dy. Okay, the work done against restoring force, the work done against restoring force. So what is the formula? dw is equal to minus f into dy. Okay, so opposite, so f is equal to minus ky dy. So therefore minus into minus plus k y dy. So this is a small work done. Small work done. The total work done W is equal to integral. So what is the limits? Y is equal to 0 to what is the maximum? Y I am taking k y dy. So k integral outside. So y dy 0 to y. Okay, so integral y dy formula k is equal to y square by 2 with limits 0 comma y. So finally w is equal to so k into y square by 2 minus 0. So w is equal to 1 by 2 ky square. Okay, so this is the total work done. So this total work done is a form of a potential energy, is a form of a potential energy. So their W is equal to U. So U is equal to potential energy symbol. So that is their potential energy is equal to 1 by 2 ky square, or the potential energy is equal to 1 by 2, what is the k value? M omega square y square. So this is a general equation. Their potential energy is equal to 1 by 2 m omega square. And here what is the potential energy at the mean position? So in the mean position, I am taking the mean position. So mean position, what is the y? Y is equal to 0. So therefore their potential energy is equal to 1 by 2 m omega square into 0. Their potential energy is equal to 0 in the mean position. And what is the extreme position? Their extreme position, their potential energy, what is the displacement? Y is equal to a. So therefore their potential energy is equal to 1 by 2 m omega square a square. So therefore at the extreme point their potential energy is maximum, at the mean point their potential energy is minimum. Here let us take for example simple pendulum. This is a simple pendulum. Okay, so this is a mean position, we know that very well. This is a mean position. This simple pendulum is moving, is a positive extreme position. Okay, this is a extreme positions, two extreme positions, one is positive, another is this is a negative extreme position. One is a plus a, another is minus a. Here at the mean position, what is the y? Y is equal to 0. So therefore their potential energy is equal to maximum. Okay, sorry, the potential energy is equal to minimum, so that is equal to 0. And the extreme position, their y is equal to a, their potential energy is equal to maximum. And what is the another equation of the potential energy? Their potential energy is equal to 1 by 2 m omega square y square. Okay, and y is equal to, we know that a sine omega t. So therefore their potential energy is equal to 1 by 2 m omega square is the y, a sine omega t whole square. So therefore their potential energy is equal to 1 by 2 m omega square a square sine square omega t. This is also another equation of the potential energy. So what is the graph of the potential energy? Here I am taking their potential energy and displacement graph. Okay, potential energy and displacement graph. So here I am taking, one is x-axis, so this is a y-axis. In the x-axis I am taking displacement. What is that? Taking the displacement. In the y-axis I am taking the potential energy u. So this is the x-axis, their maximum amplitude a, and another one maximum amplitude in the another direction minus a. So here at this extreme position it is a maximum, so at the mean position minimum, at the extreme position maximum. This is a graph. So this is a potential energy. Here at the extreme position in the negative direction, their potential energy maximum. Here in the positive extreme position, potential energy maximum. This is a potential energy maximum. At the mean position, their potential energy is equal to minimum, that is 0. That is the minimum. So it is not equal to 0 in the all cases. Okay, sometimes potential energy is not equal to 0, sometimes their potential energy equal to 0, sometimes their potential energy negative also. Okay, their potential energy always may be positive or negative or 0. This is a potential energy and displacement graph. And I am taking third one, total energy. Okay, third one, total energy. Okay, what is the total energy of simple harmonic oscillator of a particle? So we know that their total energy formula, generally their total energy T dot E is equal to sum of kinetic energy plus potential energy. Sum of kinetic energy plus potential energy. So therefore the total energy is equal to, what is the kinetic energy formula? Here I am taking two formulas. One is 1 by 2 m omega square y square plus, what is the potential energy formulas? 1 by 2 m omega square a square minus y square. Okay, one is potential energy, another is kinetic energy. Here 1 by 2 m omega square a square plus, just you can multiply 1 by 2 m omega square a square and you can taking minus 1 by 2 m omega square y square. Here plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cancel. So that is the total energy is equal to 1 by 2 m omega square a square. This is the total energy. Total energy of the particle. Or what is another way? The total energy is equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy. So another one with respect to sin and cos omega t, 1 by 2 m omega square a square sin square omega t plus 1 by 2 m omega square a square cos square omega t. So that is 1 by 2 m omega square a square common sin square omega t plus cos square omega t. We know that very well that sin square omega t and cos square omega t is equal to 1. So therefore 1 by 2 m omega square a square. This is the total energy. Okay, total energy. What is the total energy? 1 by 2 m omega square is a square. So where omega is equal to angular frequency, a is equal to amplitude. So graph. What is the graph? Total energy capital E and displacement graph. Total energy and displacement graph. Here I am taking. So this is a taking x-axis is a displacement, in the y-axis total energy. Okay, so always the total energy remains constant. So that is this is a straight line direction. Okay, always this is a mean position, y is equal to 0. This is the extreme position, this is a minus a, another extreme position. Always their energy is a constant. Energy, the total energy of the oscillators will be constant. That is what is your observation here. So let us take in the simple harmonic motion for example. So this is a mean position, this is an extreme position for example. So this is a mean position and this is a extreme position. Okay, so here we know that very well at the mean position, what is the y displacement? Y is equal to 0. Extreme position, what is the displacement? Y is equal to a. So here we know that their kinetic energy formula is a minimum or maximum. So 1 by 2 m omega square a square, we know that very well. So here in this one, their kinetic energy is equal to maximum. At the extreme position, their kinetic energy is equal to 0, minimum. And what is the potential energy? Their potential energy is equal to minimum. At the mean position, their potential energy is equal to maximum. So what is your observation? So this is minimum, means I am taking 0. So where this is total energy, kinetic energy plus potential energy. This is also total energy. So what is your observation? Their kinetic energy is going from mean position to extreme position is decreases. Okay, their kinetic energy is going from mean position to extreme position is a decreases. And what is the potential energy? Their potential energy is going from mean position to extreme positions, it is a increases because it is initially zero. So what your observation, their particle is oscillating is a mean position to extreme position. The particle is oscillating mean position to extreme position. What is your observation? Their kinetic energy is converted to potential energy. Their kinetic energy is converted to potential energy. It is a comeback. Their potential energy is converted to kinetic energy. You can taking the any point, their total energy is equal to constant. Total energy is constant because here their kinetic energy is equal to here 100% kinetic energy and 0% to potential energy, and at particular point their kinetic energy is equal to 80%, potential energy 20%, and 60% kinetic energy 40%. So what is your observation? Always the total energy will be constant. In the final their kinetic energy is equal to 0%, their potential energy is equal to 100%. So but you can taking the total energy always constant. So I am taking the graphs with the kinetic energy and potential energy, all are variation of the kinetic and potential energy. So this is the displacement axis, and this is I am taking the forces. Here I am taking the x-axis, I am taking the y-axis. Okay, so it is this y-axis, one is potential energy taking, another is kinetic energy is taking, or total energy is taking. So this is a position, extreme position, this is a minus a position, this is a mean position. Okay, displacement. So first here this is the energy, always the energy is constant E. So now I am taking the kinetic energy, this is the kinetic energy. So at the kinetic energy extreme position, this is a mean position, extreme position. So this is a kinetic energy curve. So kinetic energy at this point, their kinetic energy is equal to maximum. Okay, here their kinetic energy is equal to minimum. Here kinetic energy is equal to minimum. So what is the potential energy? This is a potential energy. This is a here. This is a potential energy. Okay, so at the potential energy, this is a graph, is a potential energy graph. So the potential energy, what is the extreme position? Their extreme position, their potential energy at this point, their potential energy is maximum. Here at the negative extreme position, their potential energy is equal to maximum. At this one, their potential energy is equal to minimum. And here I am taking the another graph with respect to time. Okay, so with respect to time, right? So here this is a graph, I will show the graph. So first I am taking, so this is a 0 to, and this is a t by 4, and this is a t by 2, and 3t by 4, and t. Okay, so suppose I am taking the kinetic energy, so this is the kinetic energy at the t by 4, and next one 3t by 4, this is a kinetic energy graph. Okay, this is graph is a kinetic energy. And what is the potential energy graph? This is a potential energy graph. At the t by 4 their potential energy maximum, at the t by 2 their potential energy minimum. So is a maximum, it is a minimum. So this is a potential energy graph, is a maximum. Okay, this is a kinetic energy, and this is a potential energy. So this is a graph. Here this is a E, total energy. total energy. So here what is your observation? The variation of the potential energy, kinetic energy with time. Potential energy, kinetic energy with time. So their kinetic energy along some time period capital T, and the potential energy, this is a time period capital T. Here I am taking some problems. Here I am taking for examples. First problem. So a particle mass 1 kg. Listen all of. A particle mass 1 kg is executing simple harmonic motion with amplitude 1 meter, and time period is equal to pi seconds. Okay, so let us take for example problem. So a particle of mass 1 kg, it is executing simple harmonic motion with amplitude 1 meter, and what is the time period? Pi second. Calculate kinetic energy of a particle. Kinetic energy of a particle where displacement 0.8 meters from mean position. I am taking one example problem here. So this is a particle. This is taking the solution. This is a particle mass m. What is the mass? 1 kg. It is executing simple harmonic motion. This is a simple harmonic motion. So this is a y is equal to a extreme position positive, and y is equal to minus a another position. Y is equal to minus a is a negative extreme position. So what is your calculation in this one? Calculation, what is the kinetic energy, the particle displacement from the mean position? So this is a mean position. So when the particle is displaced, how much distance there here to here? Amplitude, we know that very well. So what is the amplitude? 1 meter. This is a 1 meter amplitude. But at exactly 0.8, this is a 0.8. And 0.8 meter, what is the kinetic energy? This is the question. Okay, so this is a mean point. Okay, the particle is oscillating. What is the amplitude? 1 meter amplitude. And at 0.8 centimeter, what is the kinetic energy? This is my question. So here m is given. First you can write which is given. You can write down that one. M is equal, what is the mass? The mass is equal to 1 kg. And time period t is equal to pi seconds. So what is the omega? Omega is equal to 2 pi by t, that is 2 pi by pi. So cancel. What is the omega? Omega is equal to 2. Okay, so here what is the formula of the kinetic energy? The kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 mv square. Okay, so 1 by 2 m. What is the v? V is equal to omega under root of a square minus y square or x square. So that is 1 by 2 m omega square a square minus y square. Okay, so here 1 by 2, what is the m? M means mass of the particle, that is the 1. What is the omega? Omega is equal to 2 under root of or omega square 2 square. What is the amplitude? A is equal to 1 square, and y is equal to displacement 0.8 square. Here this is 2 and 2 1 cancel. 2 into 1 square means 1, 0.84 0.64, and 2 into here 0.64, 1 minus 0.64 0.36. 2 into 0.36, what is the value? 0.72 joules. This is the kinetic energy. Okay, all of you understanding it. So 1 by 2 m omega under root of a square minus y square whole square. So omega square a square minus a is equal to amplitude, y is equal to displacement. So at the what is the displacement? 0.8. So at this displacement you can calculate kinetic energy. And here another second problem I will give some homework, just you can try. Okay, the particle mass 10 grams. Particle mass 10 grams executing linear simple harmonic motion with amplitude 5 centimeter. What is amplitude? 5 centimeter with a period means a time period of 2 seconds. Find potential energy and kinetic energy. Potential and kinetic energy. What is the condition? 1/6 second after it has passed through mean position. Okay, so what is the question here? Very simple question. One mass is equal to 10 grams and it is executing simple harmonic motion. What is the amplitude? 5 centimeter and time period also is given 2 seconds. Kinetic energy and potential energy. So but where it is not mean position and extreme position, but you can calculate their particles. Okay, 1/6 seconds after. So it's very easy. I'll give some clue. So we know that first their kinetic energy can calculate. Their kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 m a square omega square cos square omega t. Okay, so m is given, a is given, omega you can calculate 2 pi by t, and small t is equal to 1/6 is given. So everything you can calculate, you can get their kinetic energy is equal to 9.255 into 10 power minus 5 joules. And second one, you can calculate potential energy. What is the formula of the potential energy? 1/2 m a square omega square sine square omega t. So you can substitute all values. Okay, so finally you can get 3.085 into 10 power minus 5 joules. So 10 power minus 5 joules. So this is another problem. Please calculate the homework problem. Next problem. So a particle executing SHM, an amplitude 0.2 meters, amplitude 0.2 meters at what distance from mean position. So here the particle is executing simple harmonic motion with an amplitude 0.2 meters. Full stop. At what distance from the mean position their potential energy of a particle is equal to kinetic energy? This is our question. Okay, what is the third question? The particle is moving in the simple harmonic motion. What is the amplitude? 0 point. Here, for example, so this is I am taking some solution. Okay, just I will give some hint. Please do this. So this is a particle mass m. It is executing simple harmonic motion to and fro motion. So what is our question? Here their amplitude is given. A is equal to 0.2 meters. Their amplitude is given. So at what point their kinetic energy is equal to potential energy? This is the question. Okay, simple. So it is using, what is the formula as their kinetic energy at a displacement? This is a displacement. I am taking the small y displacement. Their kinetic energy at a displacement, what is the formula? 1/2 m omega square a square minus y square. What is the potential energy at the displacement? 1/2 m omega square y square. So this is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 2. And the equation 1 is equal to equation 2. You can calculate. Okay, because at this point, how much displacement? Y displacement. This is a kinetic energy formula. At this point, that is a y displacement potential energy formula. Both are equal means equation 1 is equal to equation 2. Finally, you can get y is equal to a by root 2. A by root 2. Substitute a is given 0.2. So the final answer is equal to 0.1414 meters. At this distance, both are kinetic energy and potential energy equal. So this is some 2 homework problems. Please practice. So this is a end of the kinetic energy, potential energy, total energy of the simple harmonic oscillator. And thank you one and all.